If you're a member of copyandwin.com or you follow my free Discord, you already know that I love to trade TQQQ, the stock symbol. So what is the TQQQ and the QQQ? Well, the QQQ is a stock symbol that tracks the top 100 NASDAQ companies, non-financial companies. And you can absolutely make a living trading the QQQs because they move as a group representing the overall direction of the stock market. And if you learn to chart, do technical analysis, or use indicators to trade the QQQs, you can change your life. Now, what's the difference between the QQQs and the TQQQ? Well, think of T as triple. It moves 3 times as fast. So if the QQQs go up by 0.5%, the TQQQs move 3 times as fast. Here's another advantage that people don't think about. You get leverage without the risk of options or the time decay of options and without the risk of futures. And here's an additional advantage to trading the TQQQs. They're a lot cheaper. The QQQs are hundreds of dollars per share. But right now, you can trade the TQQQs at around $28, $29, $30 per share. So the TQQQ moves 3 times as fast and gives you great leverage without additional risk. That means you can make money 3 times as fast. You can also lose it 3 times as fast. But it's absolutely the key to our success. And if you check out what we do every day in our Discord, you can go and look. You can scroll back all the way through last December of 2021 when I started. You'll see that every day, we make money trading the TQQQ. Learn to trade the TQQQ, and you can absolutely change your life, change your lifestyle, and become wealthy. If you haven't already seen what we do, first of all, please smash the like button, follow me right here on YouTube, and check out copyandwin.com, and you can see all our results every day and see the fun we have trading the TQQ and lots of other stocks in my Discord, where you can look for free. Love you.